Welcome to CashOps, the channel where we unlock the secrets to financial prowess, especially tailored for our dedicated service members. Today, we're on a mission to explore 7 transformative strategies that can propel you from financial stability to remarkable wealth during your military service. If you've ever wondered about the real blueprint to financial success in uniform, you're in exactly the right place. First, engage from the outset. Picture this, a journey where your military career isn't just about serving the country, but also about establishing a rock-solid financial foundation for your future. Imagine exiting the service, not just with memories and experiences, but with a wealth portfolio that's robust, diversified, and most importantly, growing. That's not just a dream, it's a very attainable reality. Let's dive into how you can make this happen. First up, rank matters. Advancing through the ranks isn't just a badge of honor. It's a direct route to increased earnings. While the path to promotion may seem daunting, focus on excellence in your duties, punctuality, and positive rapport with your peers and superiors. Remember, each step up is a leap towards your financial goals. Are you finding these strategies insightful? If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the CashOps family. We're all about equipping you with the knowledge to thrive financially, both in and out of uniform. Investing in the thrift savings plan is your next power move. Think of the TSP as your financial ally, offering you a way to grow your earnings through wise investments. By setting aside a portion of your paycheck into the TSP, particularly into its diverse funds like the Seed Fund, you're putting your money to work. And with the government matching contributions up to a certain percent, you're essentially getting free money to aid in your wealth building quest. Now, let's talk real estate. The VA loan is a golden ticket for service members to dive into property investment with little to no down payment. This isn't just about buying a home. It's about leveraging real estate to create passive income and capital appreciation. The goal? Multiple properties that not only secure your financial future, but also generate continuous income streams. As we navigate these strategies, remember, saving is just as crucial as investing. A robust savings account gives you the liberty to seize opportunities and the cushion to withstand life's unpredictables. It's about having the financial discipline to prepare for both the expected and unexpected turns. Venturing into entrepreneurship offers another avenue for wealth. The military instills skills and disciplines that are invaluable in the business world. Start small. Identify a need you're passionate about filling, and use your savings or smart financing to kickstart your venture. This is where your journey in the military intersects with entrepreneurial ambition to open up new income streams. Your credit score is the lifeline of your financial health. A stellar credit score unlocks opportunities, from securing loans for your business to getting the best rates on mortgages. It's about maintaining financial credibility and opening doors to future wealth-building opportunities. Lastly, let's not overlook the power of credit cards. When used wisely, they're not just spending tools, but also a way to build credit, earn rewards, and even fund initial business expenses through strategic use. The key here is disciplined use and consistent payment. As we wrap up this journey through financial empowerment in the military, it's clear that the path to wealth is multifaceted. From climbing the ranks and investing wisely to embracing real estate and entrepreneurship, every strategy we've explored today is a piece in the puzzle of financial success. Remember, every step you take today is a building block for your future. Here at CashOps, we're dedicated to guiding you through each of those steps towards financial freedom and success. Continuing from where we left off, it's essential to delve deeper into these strategies, providing you with actionable steps and insights that can transform your financial trajectory while serving in the military. Making rank and investing wisely are foundational steps. However, the true art lies in mastering financial discipline. This means living within your means, avoiding unnecessary debt, and prioritizing your financial goals. A disciplined approach ensures that as you climb the ranks and your income increases, your expenses don't climb proportionally. Instead, you allocate more towards saving and investments. When it comes to the thrift savings plan, beyond just contributing, it's about being strategic with your investments. Diversification within your TSP can protect and grow your savings. Don't just stick it to the safe funds. Understand your risk tolerance and consider allocating investments across a mix of the G, C, and S and I funds, aiming for a blend of growth and security over time. Leveraging the VA loan for real estate investments requires a strategic approach. First, consider the location of your property carefully. Look for areas with strong rental demand and potential for property value appreciation. It's not just about owning property, it's about smart ownership. This might mean buying a duplex or a small apartment building where you can live in one unit and rent out the others, effectively having your tenants pay your mortgage. Moreover, managing your property wisely is crucial. Consider property management services if you're deployed or if managing tenants isn't your forte. This ensures your investment remains profitable and well maintained in your absence. Starting a business while in the military might seem daunting, but it's a powerful avenue for building wealth. The discipline, leadership, and stress management skills you've honed in the military are invaluable in entrepreneurship. Begin by identifying a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise. This could range from an online business that you can manage remotely to a service-based venture that addresses the needs of your military community. It's also worth exploring digital platforms and social media to market your business. In today's digital age, an online presence can significantly enhance your business's reach and profitability. And remember, entrepreneurship is not just about the income. It's about building a brand, an asset that can continue to grow and serve you long after your military service. A good credit score is your passport to financial opportunities. It affects not just your ability to borrow, but also the terms and interest rates you're offered. Regularly monitoring your credit score, ensuring timely payments, and using credit responsibly are key practices. If you're looking to build or improve your credit score, consider secured credit cards or credit builder loans, which are designed specifically for this purpose. Furthermore, understanding how to leverage credit for wealth building is essential. For instance, responsibly using business credit cards can help you manage cash flow, earn rewards, and even finance startup costs at 0% APR during introductory periods. The aim is to use credit as a strategic tool rather than a means to accumulate debt. As we've explored these 7 pillars of financial success in the military, it's evident that each strategy interlinks, creating a comprehensive framework for financial growth. From advancing in your career and smart investing to strategic real estate purchases, entrepreneurship, and credit management, each element plays a vital role in building your financial empire. As you embark on this journey, remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to continuous learning and adaptation. By applying these strategies, you're not just preparing for a financially secure future. You're setting the stage for generational wealth and a legacy of financial wisdom. We're here to support you every step of the way. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to CashOps for more financial insights, and share this video to help empower more service members on their path to financial success. Together, let's turn your financial goals into reality. Thank you for watching, and remember, your financial journey starts today. Let's make it a prosperous one.